So, Chantel, what are some of the tips that you can give the people that want to make their own T-shirts?
Don't give yourself a time limit. Don't give yourself any kind of limits. Really seriously sketch something out. You might have the dumbest idea in your mind, execute it on a piece of paper, and it turns out to be the best thing ever. How many times have you seen a T-shirt on a hanger and you're like, I mean, you see it on somebody else and it looks great. So remember, there are no boundaries when it comes to stuff like this. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. So, don't be too hard on yourself. When I first started designing, I started making T-shirts. I cried so hard.
Why?
Because the stuff was bleeding through the stencils. It looked so unprofessional. And then I realized that I started doing retail with a bigger company, and I was on my hands and knees folding, a $30 T-shirt that they were bleeding their stencils on purpose. They were getting it screen printed and making it look like it was handmade. So use what you've got. Don't worry about it. Don't think too much. Don't be so critical. Because if you're really passionate about something, somebody's going to relate to it. So, you keep designing, you keep doing it till it works.